Hey, Tipo here. Ready for some fun English? Let's go.
Hey everyone, welcome back to another podcast and chill video. Today's episode is all about supercharging your motivation and turning your dreams into reality.
That's right. We're here to look into the secrets of staying driven and making every day count towards your success.
We've lined up some fantastic insights on setting achievable goals and how to keep the fire of ambition burning bright.
Plus, we'll explore the power of your surroundings and how a positive tribe can dramatically enhance your drive and focus.
So, grab your coffee, get comfy, and get ready for a boost of energy that will propel you through your journey to success with us today. Let's start talking about personal goals. Well, setting clear goals isn't just about deciding what you want to achieve. It's about lighting up the path to your dream.
That's right. It's important because it gives us direction and helps us stay focused. It's like having a map when you travel. You know your destination and the stops you need to make.
To keep your goals clear, break them into smaller, easy steps. This way, you're not just dreaming big, you're doing big things.
And remember, your goals should be important to you. This connection keeps you motivated and committed even when things get tough.
So, set your goals, write them down on sticky notes, on your wall, or in your planner. Seeing them every day keeps you motivated. To continue, let's talk about some amazing success stories and the determination needed to achieve goals.
Like J.K. Rowling, who faced many rejections before becoming famous with Harry Potter. Her persistence teaches us a lot.
That's right, Gwen. And don't forget about Thomas Edison. His journey to invent the light bulb was paved with thousands of failures, each teaching him a valuable lesson.
These stories show us that success isn't straightforward. It's our resilience and self-belief through challenges that really shape our achievements.
So, from celebrities to everyday people, every story of overcoming obstacles inspires us. It pushes us to go beyond our limits and do great things.
Let's carry these lessons forward, embrace our own challenges, and craft our unique success stories.
Gwen, I've been thinking about how often we all struggle with procrastination. It's really about managing our time better, isn't it?
One helpful method is the Pomodoro technique. It involves working in focused intervals of 25 minutes, followed by a short break.
And that's not all, right? After about 4 of these intervals, you take a longer break, which really helps to recharge and keeps you motivated throughout the day.
Another simple technique is the 2-minute rule. If a task takes 2 minutes or less, do it right away. This stops tasks from building up.
That's a game changer. It helps you handle small tasks immediately, keeping your work smooth and your mind clear.
Using these techniques daily can transform our productivity and reduce stress. It's all about finding what works best for you and sticking to it.
When we often talk about personal motivation, but the environment around us plays a huge role too, doesn't it?
Yeah, the people we surround ourselves with and the places where we spend our time can greatly influence our energy and motivation.
So, choosing the right friends and a positive work environment is crucial. Supportive friends make a big difference.
It's not just about having positive people around. It's about having people who push us to be our best, challenge us, and share our values.
And at work, a positive environment that supports teamwork and creativity is key. It should be a place that encourages open communication and respect.
That's why it's important to carefully choose our friends and workspaces. They're not just places we go, they influence who we are and how we grow. Persistence. Definition: the quality of continuing to try to achieve a particular aim despite difficulties. Example: Her persistence in learning English paid off when she was able to communicate fluently on her trip abroad. Resilience. Definition: the ability to be happy, successful, etc. again after something difficult or bad has happened. Example: he showed great resilience after losing his job by starting his own company. Procrastination. Definition: the act of delaying something that needs to be done, often because it is unpleasant or boring. Example: I need to stop procrastinating and start working on my project. Technique. Definition: a way of doing an activity that needs skill. Example: she's learning different techniques to improve her cooking. Recharge. Definition: to gain new strength and energy by resting. Example: I take a short walk to recharge during my lunch break.
What does Leo suggest is necessary to turn big dreams into reality regarding personal goals? Leo suggests breaking big dreams into smaller, manageable steps to make them a reality. How do Leo and Gwen describe the impact of one's environment on personal motivation and achieving goals? They describe the environment as crucial, noting that the people and places around us greatly influence our energy, motivation, and ability to achieve our goals. We can say every failure teaches us something important, don't you think? It's about using those failures to prepare for future success.
I agree. Every failure brings with it a treasure trove of insights. It's about analyzing what went wrong and learning how to improve.
I remember when I first tried public speaking and froze. It was embarrassing, but I learned how important it is to prepare and practice.
That's a great example. It shows us that we shouldn't avoid failure, but accept it as part of learning. How we handle failure can shape our future success.
Right, Gwen. It's about resilience coming back stronger. Each mistake helps us understand ourselves better and improve our skills.
And it's important to share these experiences. Talking openly about our failures helps others learn and shows it's okay to be imperfect.
Have you noticed how mindfulness and meditation can help us handle daily stress?
Yes, it's amazing how just a few minutes of mindfulness each day can help us focus and stay calm.
I started with just 5 minutes of meditation each morning. It really helps to set a positive tone for the whole day.
That's a great habit, Leo. Mindfulness teaches us to focus on the present moment, which is important when we feel overwhelmed.
And meditation isn't just sitting quietly. It can also be done while walking or doing simple tasks, if you focus on the moment.
It's all about finding what works for you. Some might prefer guided meditations, while others might find peace in silent reflection. Experimenting is key to discovering your path to mindfulness.
Do you know, I've started painting recently. It's surprising how much energy and new ideas I get just from playing with colors.
That sounds great, Leo. Creative activities like painting help us express ourselves and find motivation in new ways.
Right? Not only painting, but also writing, music, or crafting can lift our spirits.
It's about understanding yourself and what you enjoy. Starting a simple blog or playing an instrument can bring joy and revive your passion.
And remember, sharing your work with others can be very rewarding. It's not about perfection. It's about enjoying and learning from the process.
True. Getting involved in these creative activities is a good way to make friends and support each other. It's a nice way to connect and inspire one another.
Gwen, we can all improve our resilience, right? It's about getting up again after a setback.
You're right. We shouldn't be afraid to make mistakes because they help us learn something new.
And you know, resilience isn't about being tough all the time. It's about being flexible and adaptable when things don't go as planned.
It's knowing it's okay to have a bad day, and what's important is how we deal with it.
If you make a mistake during a presentation, it's not a disaster. Learn from it, and you'll do better next time.
And don't forget how important it is to have support. Having friends or mentors to help can really make a difference when facing challenges.
Building resilience is like building a muscle. The more you use it, the stronger it becomes. So, let's keep working and growing. Mindfulness. Definition: the quality or state of being conscious or aware of something. Example: practicing mindfulness can reduce anxiety and increase concentration. Meditation. Definition: a practice of focusing one's mind for a period of time in silence or with the aid of chanting for religious or spiritual purposes or as a method of relaxation. Example: she uses meditation to help calm her mind before stressful events. Adaptable. Definition: able to adjust to new conditions or situations. Example: she proved to be highly adaptable in her new job. Guided. Definition: directed or managed by someone, especially used in learning or therapeutic contexts. Example: he attended a guided tour of the museum to learn more about the exhibits. Setback. Definition: a reversal or check in progress, a problem that delays or prevents progress or makes things worse than they were. Example: despite the setback in the project timeline, the team remained optimistic.
What did Leo learn from his first public speaking experience? Leo learned the importance of preparation and practice after he froze during his first attempt at public speaking. How does Gwen describe the role of failures in learning? Gwen describes failures as part of learning and emphasizes that how we handle failure can shape our future success.
What a fantastic journey we've been on today. I hope everyone found something valuable to take away. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more inspiring content. And check out the links below for resources and tips to help you on your journey.
Thanks for joining us, and until next time, keep pushing forward and make every moment